Hi. Today we're going to tell you about restoring a suspended GMB account. We'll also provide information about why GMB Support is telling to create a duplicate. Let's get started. Sometimes, businesses get in an unfortunate situation where their Google My Business listing has been removed. And if you are being such business, you may receive a notification from the company's support teams as they try to reinstate their listing. Due to the failure of the account to reinstate the business page, it is now necessary for you to create a new one and get it verified. Doing so will allow you to make the page live on Google. This is a bit confusing, as it implies that Google wants to make a new listing for you. In reality, it doesn't. Instead, it wants you to update your existing listing. To add a new listing in the Google My Business to the dashboard. After completing the verification process, you'll be prompted to update your existing listing. This method ensures that the original listing is maintained instead of making a duplicate. This ensures that you get the original listing. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.